Hello. Just something came to mind the other day, and I wanted to share that with you because some of the folks I've been chatting with in the last couple, 3, 4 months have indicated that they've been on a cruise or been on a vacation and they needed excursions or needed transfers. They were blocked from something and they were having difficulty with their vacation. Call us. We can help you with getting those excursions. Even if they're booked up on the cruise ship, we may be able to figure it out outside of the cruise ship and still get you back on with a guarantee. Also with air, transfers, getting from to and from, you need that. And also, if you're frustrated with the person you're working with, call us. We can transfer it possibly, but we can assist and we're here to help. And that's what we want to do.
Now, I mentioned you can call me to transfer your booking, and a lot of people aren't quite sure what that means or why it would even benefit them. So let's break it down, because this is one of the most important things you can know before, during, or even after you book a cruise. Here's the part the big booking websites would rather you didn't know. The price you see on a cruise line's own website already has a travel agent's commission coming out of it. It's baked right in. And when you book directly with the cruise line, you're still paying that money. They're just keeping it for themselves. You paid for a service you never received. But when your booking sits with the travel advisor, that same commission goes to a real person whose entire job is looking after you and your trip. You don't pay one penny more than you would have. You were always paying for it. The only question is whether anybody is actually working for you. Now, you might still be thinking, well, what does a travel agent even do for me? And that's a fair question. So let me walk you through it. First, an advisor or an agent watches your price. Cruise fares move around constantly. If the price of your sailing drops before your final payment date, your advisor can often get that lower rate applied to your booking or turn the difference into an onboard credit. Think about that. If you book a cruise for next fall and the fare drops this summer, do you really believe a giant website is going to call you up and hand you the money back? They won't. An advisor will. It's their job. Second, you get access to perks you simply cannot get on your own. Because advisors and their agencies book in volume, they often have access to group spaces and amenities the cruise line doesn't advertise to the general public. We're talking about onboard spending credits, prepaid gratuities, a bottle of wine waiting for you in your cabin, or a complimentary specialty dinner. None of it costs you extra. It's the kind of thing that quietly makes a good trip feel like a special one. Third, and this is a big one, you get an advocate. Travel has a way of throwing surprises at you. Trust me, I see it every day. A flight gets delayed, a port gets changed, a question comes up about your cabin 2 weeks before you sail. When you've booked direct, you're the one sitting on hold, navigating a phone menu, hoping somebody picks up. When you've got an advisor, that's the person making those calls for you. You have someone who knows your booking, who knows your name, and knows how to fix things when they go sideways. And if you need excursions, like I mentioned, even when the cruise ship says they're sold out, a good advisor often has options outside the ship that still get you back on board on time with a guarantee. That is exactly the kind of problem a real person can solve when a website never can and never will. And before we move on, let me put one worry to rest right now, because people get very, very concerned about this all the time. Transferring your booking to a travel advisor does not affect your loyalty status. It doesn't touch it, it doesn't ruin it. Your Crown and Anchor with Royal Caribbean, your VIFP with Carnival, your Captain Circle with Princess, all of it stays tied to your personal account. It doesn't change, it doesn't reset. You keep gaining points on those sailings. Now here's a very, very important part of this though. There's a window. You cannot wait forever. Every cruise line gives you a limited amount of time after you book to transfer that reservation. And once it closes, it's closed. Here are the current transfer windows for the lines most of our travelers are using. Royal Caribbean has a 30-day transfer window before the final payment that's not paid in full. Norwegian has a 14-day transfer window outside of the final payment period. Carnival has a 90-day window before penalty and final payment period. And Disney has 30 days, initial deposit only, strictly enforced. A couple of rules apply across the board though. The booking generally cannot be paid in full yet, and the transfer must happen before your final payment date. So the lesson here is simple. The day you book that cruise direct, that is the day to start thinking about whether you want to transfer it. Don't sit on it. Don't pay it off early if you're even considering making a move. A little timing protects a lot of value, and you're most likely better off booking with a travel advisor first. And this works on cruises you booked right on the ship too. If you ever put a deposit down for a future cruise credit while you were sailing, that booking can usually transfer over to an advisor as well, with all the same benefits. Same for airfare and land excursions. Most of these things can be transferred to a travel agent. So that brings us to the part where I tell you a little bit more about how I can help you. My name is Ken, and I run Travel by Ken Cruises powered by Cruise Planners. And here's what makes me a little different. I focus specifically on travelers in their 50s, 60s, 70s, and beyond. That's who I serve, and that's who I understand. I know at this stage of life, a trip isn't about racing around, cramming 12 cities into 10 days. It's about comfort. It's about ease. It's about knowing the details are handled so you can actually enjoy yourself. When we talk about your trip, I'm thinking about the things that matter to you, about how much walking is involved, whether the cabin is easy to get to, what the medical setup looks like on board, how you get from the airport to the port without a headache. The things the booking websites never ask you about. Those are the exact things that I care about most, and you should too. And working with me costs you nothing extra. Same fare you'd pay anywhere else. But now, you've got a real person on the phone, by email, and by text, whichever is easiest for you, before your trip, during your trip, and of course, after you get home. No menus, no automated systems, no pressure, no rush, just somebody in your corner working for you. So here's what I'd like you to do now. If you've already booked a cruise and you're still inside that transfer window, reach out today. Let's get that booking moved over before the clock runs out, and let's see what perks we can add to the trip that you've already paid for. And if you haven't booked yet, even better. Let's plan the whole thing together for you, the right way from the start. Whether it's excursions, airfare, a cabin question, or just figuring out which ship is right for you, that's exactly why I'm here. If you're ready to start planning your dream getaway now, fill out my Where to Next survey at kencruises.com/where to next, and we will talk it through together. You worked hard to earn this trip. Let me make sure you get everything that comes with it. Give me a call and let's get you taken care of.
We want you to have the best vacation that you can possibly have, not one that's filled with frustration and regret. So call us, 689-229-9724. And as always, take care and bon voyage.